Hello everyone, welcome back to T's Family Channel. Today I will put up the magnetic screen door for my back door. This is my back door to the patio. This is for the door 32 by 80 inches. It's delivery yesterday, so let's see what's included. It's include the pin, the push pin, the velcro, and the screen door. So let's start it. So at first I will clean this side, this part only, and to the top as well. Yep, just inside this, from the top to the bottom. So now we will wait for it to be dry a little bit before I can put the velcros on. You take the white off, and then you place it right here in the bottom. Just do slowly so it will be a straight, perfect line. I just want to re-measure it to make sure it's the correct distance that we are taping. So as now I do it, you know, and I know that when you start put the velcro on, you put on the top first, okay? Just start from the corner right here, you know, start from the corner, like I will cut it right here, okay? And you tape it right here, and then if it's the other side, like for example, if I start from this corner, I will put the tapes right here, you know, the first place when I place it, the corner of this straight up and go all the way to over here and stop it right here as well. And then the rest of the velcro, you just cut it in half and put on the side and just follow the tape of it, okay? And just put on the side, like as I measure, like this is what I do right here. I put it right in the middle, from here to here. I put the velcro in the middle. That's why you see a little bit over here and a little bit over there. So from the beginning I wasn't have experience but now as I do, see, you can see there. So I will cut it, stop it right here, and then we will re-tape it, just match the corner. Just cut it right here. There. Just tape it down. So you just put the tapes right in the middle. I got extra of velcro left. So just make sure that you press this very firmly to the door before we put the screen on. So here's the top. The top is where it's sewed together. So we place this on top. When you stick this on, press it down so the velcro attach to the door more. Right here is my fault because from beginning I tape it all the way out here, so now it doesn't it doesn't fit. Make sure you put it right in the middle, you know, just like from the top that I showed you earlier. Just put the velcro right in the middle from here to here. Put it right in the middle, because right now I have that problem, as you can see right here. See, the other side is fit perfectly, but not this side, because I tape it all the way out here. So now just see, it won't match. Okay, so that is my fault. And you can use the push pin for secure the corner wherever you want it. Okay, so I would think like right in the middle, right in the corner, in the middle, and the left corner, and in the middle somewhere on the side to secure the screen. Yeah, to secure the velcro. I think you would do you will use the push pin before you put you use the push pin down here, okay, in here, not outside, because this part you can if you don't want to use it, you can just take it off, you know, just take it off. Oh well, you can use, you can push pin the whole thing like this if you want to. So now I will put the push pin in. So 2 on the bottom and 3 on the top. So that's all I got to show you. Again, put the velcro on the top first, and just put it right on the corner. Hold on a second. Just put it right on here. Yep, right on the tip of the door. Okay. Yep. Put the top first, and then put the side later, as I already showed you. And put the velcro on the side, just right in the middle of this part. From this part to this part, just put right in the middle, and it should fit perfectly. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Please take care. Bye bye.